Hello, partners and tutor. My name is Diana Leon. I'm a student of degree in English, and I am in fifth semester. And in this opportunity, I want to do a short tutorial video of app Flipsnack. Flipsnack is a digital tool that allows you to easily convert PDF to flash files that you like, a book or digital magazine, or create them from the same page with templates they offer for free. The first thing that we do is go to Google and share www.flipsnack.com. It is the first chart that appears, and we click. We have three options to enter: creating an account with an email and password, or login with from our Facebook or Google account. In this opportunity, we are going to enter from a Google account. Usually it is a good way to don't forget the password and click enter. Once we are able to enter, we will find where we have done and the option to share the templates. So let's go the Flipsnack template option. We have many options. So here we'll find many categories where we can locate to select the best suits or idea. When we have the template ready, we click on this button. When we enter our template, we can click on each of the parts of the page to modify it to our liking, or delete or add text, images, pictures, etc. We can see this example on the right side of the manager. We find our page of our magazine. We can also delete or add. If we want to upload an image from our computer, let's go to do clip in this option. We select the image and add it to our Flipsnack library. Finally, we place it on the page in the way we want. On the left side of the manager, we will find all the options to edit, add text, videos, links, images, shapes, so you can explore it. At the top of the manager, you will find all the options to modify or edit the text. When your magazine is ready, you got the option to publish. On the right side, you will find the options to edit the title, descriptions, categories, and publish. Then you will find the preview of your project. And the bottom, you will find the link to share your project. And your project will be ready. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it had been helpful.